Hi, I'm Miss Shelby from Bright Signs Learning, and today me and my kids are going to teach you how to make an educational slime. It is going to be green glitter in honor of St. Patrick's Day to give it a little theme, and there's a few different ways in which you can make this a fun learning activity for your kids. So what you're going to need is you're going to need Elmer's clear glue, you're going to need some baking soda, and you're going to need contact solution. We've chosen Renew because we know for a fact that this one has boric acid and sodium borate in it. So that's the key to activate the slime. So I just go with the Renew because I know that one works. And then the educational factor comes in with, we bought some beads that are alphabet letters. And another way with some of my older kids, you could actually buy number beads, and as they're playing with the slime, you have them add up the numbers that are inside their parts of slime. And for the educational piece for the little ones, you have them identify the letters. You can pull out slime and see if you can make any words out of things, go over your sounds and phonics and that sort of thing. So to begin, who is going to pour in the glue? How about me? Cameron. Okay, so we're going to do 6 ounces of clear Elmer's glue, and 6 ounces equates to 3/4 of a cup. So we're going to put that in. I had a big thing. It's great when you get kind of the big, to save on money, you can get the big ones. I guess this said it was 9 ounces, but I'll tell you something. It's equal to about 6. Okay, so Cameron, why don't you pour that in there? Can you lean over? Or here. Can you pour that? All right. Let's scrape it out. Okay, clear glue. That's obviously a very important part, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's the thing that makes it into slime.
That's the thing that makes it into slime. Okay, the next part is we're going to need baking soda, just like when we bake our cookies. Tensei, you're going to do that part. You're going to do 1/2 of a teaspoon of baking soda. So can you pull that in there and scrape it, right? Okay, can you put it in there? Yeah, we're going to do the glitter a little bit. Jack, you want to stir that? Or I skipped over Luke. Would you like to do it? You want to stir? No, we'll let Jack stir. Okay, Jack's going to stir. And Luke, this is the activating part. Maybe you can do this part. Yeah. This is the, actually maybe we'll put in the beads first before we do the, in case I need my contacts. Okay. Good mixing, Jack. Now here, Luke, I'm going to have you put in some beads, okay? These are going to be our alphabet beads. I'm going to put, everyone can toss some. How about that?
Okay.
You want to put some in?
Hey!
Here, Cameron, I'll give you some.
I'm sorry.
Okay. Put some beads in.
Are them all in?
Yeah, well, we're going to put a bunch in. There we go. Mix them in. Okay, cool. All right. You want to mix? Let's put some sprinkle for St. Patrick's Day. Okay, everyone gets 1 sprinkle. Okay, so make it worth it. Make it good.
I'm doing that.
Hold on. Okay, here we go. We're going to go around. 1 sprinkle from Cameron. Sprinkle. Good. Tensei. Sprinkle. Good. Luke. And maybe the sprinkle will add some magic with the St. Patrick's Day, yeah?
Maybe if we keep it to St. Patrick's Day.
Maybe it could be part of our trap. Maybe because it's so sticky, it'll get our leprechaun.
Maybe.
Okay?
Maybe the leprechaun will
Shake it in there, Jack.
Maybe the leprechaun will take a bath in it and put it on soap and stuff.
Oh, that would be neat. Okay, it's already starting to look very, very good, isn't it? Yep, little mixing. Okay, now, this is the very important part, okay? This is the activator.
Can I do it?
So here it is. We need 1.5 tablespoons of activator. So you want to hold it over? Yep. Here.
Can I mix that? Can I pour it?
Go in there. Squeeze. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. This reminds me of when I had contacts back in the day, before my LASIK. Okay, pour 1. And we're going to do 1/2. You're going to do the 1/2. Okay? Here we go. Dump that in. Now this is the really important part. Jack, everyone's going to get a chance to stir. Jack, you start. Mix, mix, mix. See if it's starting to feel slimy. Oops, careful. That's okay. Oh, yeah.
We're going to make it. It's no clear slime.
It's clear glitter alphabet slime. Yep.
Can I stir?
Get it?
I can feel it.
Yeah. Keep mixing. That's the important part, right? Cameron, would you like to have a chance to stir?
Can I do it?
Okay, here, we'll go Luke and then Cameron. We already put that in.
Do I have to put everything in?
Everything in. Now it's just the stirring and get. Whoa!
It's very good.
Is it good?
Can we spill it after?
Yeah. Here, let's give Cameron a chance.
Slimy. What? Taste something.
It
It
feels slimy. Okay, here, let me get the final stirs in here.
Oh, that
Wow,
looks-
you guys. That
We made good slime.
is good slime.
Can we feel it?
Now, let's see. Everyone's going to take some. And we can see what letters everyone gets, yeah?
Yeah. Wait, what about me?
You get some.
What about me, Mommy?
Here.
I think.
There's some for you.
Where's some for Mommy?
Pull. Here, Lukey.
Okay.
There's some me for you.
Very sticky.
Okay. Okay, oh, here's a dangly letter. I have an A. What does A say? Ah. Can anyone think of a word that starts with A?
I got
Apple.
B. E.
You have an E. Cameron, what do you have? Do you have any letters? Do you have an I?
Oh, I have I have V.
So anyway, so this is a very fun way to have some sensory things going with your learning your letters, or even math if you want to add some number beads into your song. So happy St. Patrick's, everyone.